Namaskaram. In this Agni initiative, we are going to explore about sugar and why we should avoid white sugar and what are the alternatives we can use instead. So, as you must be knowing that white sugar is definitely not something which is good for your system, and this is responsible for many ailments, especially diabetes and other chronic ailments. So, a lot of consumption of excess amount of sugar definitely accelerates these ailments, and you have tendency to develop the diabetes or heart ailments and many other chronic ailments by consuming excess sugar. So white sugar is definitely not something which is suitable for the system, and traditionally sugar was always used in its unrefined form, which is from cane sugar. So as you know the process how sugar is made, if you are aware about that, it's like you have this sugar cane, and then you make cane juice out of it, sugar cane juice, and then it is crystallized to form solid, and this is something which is then broken down and formed and consumed as sugar. So traditionally they used this crystalline form of cane sugar, which retained all its minerals and nutrients and vitamins, which is also called as jaggery, so unrefined sugar. So that was what was traditionally used, and it was beneficial. But over a period of time, what has started happening is that this unrefined sugar is then taken into factories, and then they refine it further and to make this white sugar, which is so commonly called the white sugar, which we find in markets. So that is refined, and it's refined in such a way that actually it is completely stripped off of all its nutrients and minerals, vitamins which should have been naturally present in the cane sugar, and it's just empty calories. So this is something which is definitely not good for the system, and this is very commonly known that white sugar is one of those kind of poison which you should try to avoid. So it's very important, especially if you're looking to take charge of your health and well-being, to see if you can completely do away with white sugar, and instead of this you can try to use some alternatives which are unrefined sugar. For example, jaggery. So jaggery in its natural form, it can be a good substitute for sugar, and also give you the necessary nutrients, vitamins, minerals, and has a lot of other benefits as well. So jaggery can be used, jaggery or the country sugar or the palm sugar or the brown sugar as it's commonly called. So these are alternatives which you can use instead of white sugar. And also honey. Honey is also one substance which can be used as a substitute. So it's important that when you use honey, you don't boil the honey. So when you boil the honey or add it in hot or boiling water, it can turn poisonous. So that shouldn't be consumed. But otherwise, you can consume it raw, or you can consume it in tepid water, and that helps in increasing the RBC counts. And also, if you have anemia or iron deficiency, it can help correct that as well. So either it can be had in raw form, or it can be added in tepid water, which will also help you lose weight, or it can be added in cold water, which can help you gain weight. So honey is something which has many other benefits as well. It can boost your immunity, it can calm down your nerves. It's a great tonic to have on a daily basis, and everybody at home can also have this regularly. So instead of sugar, so for example, if you're using sugar for your beverages, especially these canned products which are available in the market, they will have so much of added sugar. So this is something you should start being more aware of whenever you're buying a product. Just check the label and see if it has added sugar. And if it has added sugar, this is something which you should try to minimize and become more conscious of what you're purchasing. For example, if you buy some canned juices or sweets or chocolates, many of these things will have added sugar in it, added white sugar, and they generally use the white sugar because that is much cheaper as well. So you will see that most of these products which are available in the supermarkets, they have white sugar added. and unknowingly you will be consuming a lot of white sugar by having these products. So just try to be a little more conscious when you step out and buy something. Try to see if you can use substances which don't have any added sugar. Nowadays people have started being more aware, and they specifically mention in their labels. For example, if you have breads, sometimes they mention that no added white sugar, or many, for example, there are some juices, even there sometimes they mention if it's natural and it doesn't have any added white sugar. If you're having a fruit juice outside, you can even ask them not to add white sugar, and see if you can just have it without white sugar. So just try to see, because we may be consuming a lot of white sugar, more than which is needed for our system, and this can definitely harm the body. So try to be a little more aware and see if you can switch to these alternatives. And at Isha also, these are very commonly available, the jaggery or the honey. So if you wish, you can even get from there online, or wherever you are getting from, just see if you can get it from a reliable source which is having organic jaggery or pure honey. So that's something which you can take care of, because a lot of adulteration is happening in the markets, and there are a lot of products where they even sell jaggery which is having chemicals added. So you need to be careful and buy from a reliable source, so that even if it's a substitute, it's still giving the necessary benefits. So just try to take care of that, and see if you can substitute these, and try to see if you can minimize or completely avoid white sugar. So please experiment and let us know how it's going for you. Namaskar.
If you eat food and your body feels very agile and alive, that means it's good food, body is liking it. If you eat something, it feels dull, that means it's not liking it, it's having difficulty with it, that's why it feels dull.